Hey, what's going on, Beowulf Nation? It's on Beowulf, back at it with another video. If you're new to the channel, make sure you smash that subscribe button. Existing subscribers, hit the bell notification. Let's get this video going. Alright, so it's a Kawasaki SXR 1500 video. Stand up. I'm getting ready to leave, but I want to do this mod because it just came in the mail. So this is a filter system that's Macsboost. They make an intake kit for the Kawasaki SXR, and then they sell this breather filter right here. Now, why I went with them is a lot of the ones out there. Yeah, I found this weird thing at the bottom of the ski. Last time I went riding, it was down there, so I pulled it up, put it up there. So the nice thing with their filter is it just goes right here. You don't have to have everything running when there's just not a lot of room here, and it gets the weight reduced. There isn't a lot of intakes out on the market for this, and there was a lot of positive feedback by doing this. It's a very quick mod to do. You gotta loosen this bolt and that bolt, and it looks like, I think this thing just comes out from there. It's from what the shop manual shows. We're not gonna reuse this hose at all, so let's get the video going. All right, so I didn't need to loosen that one. There's two bolts right here that I loosened. Then I loosened the clamp that's holding onto the throttle body. Give this thing a yank off. There we go. And then we just gotta fish the thing out. Out with the restrictive. And I don't know if you guys can see the light through that thing. And then there's another filter inside there. But man, it frees up a lot of room in there. And let's connect that filter on in the other one and go ride it. Man, it really makes a lot of room in it. Cut the hose a little bit. This part wouldn't fit on, so I just hooked it like that. I think it'll do the job. We got the filter here, and let's go ride it. I hope you guys enjoyed some of the little sound clips and a video of this thing in action with the new intake. And so these were the parts that I showed earlier with pulling out of the ski. And this gets you a little better view of what's all going on in there. And definitely you can feel somewhat of acceleration improvement with it. I think that the best thing out of anything, you visibly see a lot more of what's going on inside in here. And it is a big, I'd have to weigh it to see how much it is. It's not anything that's like crazy weight. But the biggest thing is you get to really see a lot more of what's going on in the ski in here, with removing that out, which I do really like. And I have to say, it's a really nice system with put it in there. I think the hard thing is with some of these intakes that kind of travel up into here, the reason I didn't go that route is, the exhaust manifold gets the hottest. I think no matter what, you're gonna get sucking in hot air with this stock or not. But I think this really is the most logical, because this is part of the exhaust traveling right here in front of the intake. But no matter what intake system, pipe would still be by this with heat. The most heat obviously is coming from this when it's running. And you get a lot better visibility of the stock bilge pump that's right there. Gives you a little bit more room too, if wherever you think about adding maybe possibly another one in here with this. But it just gives you a lot more wiggle room, I guess. Or you could visibly be checking out too what's all going on with the jet ski. It sounds cool. I mean, it's hard when I was wearing a helmet, seeing what the sounds really come out to. But I definitely until you pull it out, you see what it is. I think it's worth the money. I mean, really, you can't go wrong. I mean, with it, but it matters too. Like my warranty is ending next month, April. I don't know if I'm going to extend it because I have done some stuff to the ski. I've found in the past of warranties that they just don't, if you modify your ski, they just don't come through. And a lot of stuff too. Some dealers, they don't really know what they're talking about or what they're doing. So I feel this is real easy for me, something to work on. If I had to do stuff, I have no problem doing it myself. Warranty doesn't really matter with me. But if you don't know what you're doing, it probably would be really important. So this is basically how you install it. And you got to see it in action. So you get to hear what it sounds like. And it was a very easy thing to pull out. I mean, the biggest thing was loosening this off, slipping it off. Then there was 2 bolts. You didn't have to remove the top bolt right there. And the thing just came right out. Real easy mod to do. So I guess check them out if that's what you want to do intake-wise, or just kind of do your own research what you want to do. But it's the end of the video. Make sure you hit the subscribe button if you're new to the channel. Make sure you share the videos, like the videos. If you're an existing subscriber, make sure you hit the bell notification, get notified as soon as the video is uploaded. Remember, it's 2020. Never give up. Never surrender. I also, too, have a merch store where you can get the cool hats like this. It's at IamBeowulf.com. Make sure to check it out. Also, too, I have an Amazon store. So if you're looking for jet ski, riding gear, cleaning your jet ski, what camera gear I use, survival gear, gear for the coronavirus, all this stuff, check it out at Amazon.com/shop/IamBeowulf. Peace out, Beowulf Nation.